Good morning, guys. Confirm me once again you are able to hear me or not before starting the session. Anyone, please. Can you unmute anyone your mic and then confirm me, say yes so that.
Yes.
Yes, we can.
Sure.
Yes, it's audible.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Fine. Okay. Myself, so much Shekhar. I have around 50 years of experience as a database architect. My expertise in Microsoft database world include Microsoft database development, admin, Microsoft data warehousing concepts, and also I have a very good experience in Teradata. I have experience in Oracle. I have experience in Snowflake data warehousing. I have experience in Power BI. This is about my technical overall high level information. And also I have around 5 years of experience, 5 years of on-site experience in UK. Currently, I am working in one of the top MNC company at Hyderabad. So this is my overall my technical and then my overall experience. Today we are going to discuss about the high level information and high level knowledge and the like what is Snowflake and what is the features of very good features of Snowflake, and then what is the job market on Snowflake, and then what is the difference between the traditional data warehouse and then our Snowflake cloud data warehouse. So, what is the first intent? Those things and all, so we can discuss today. I will share my screen. Confirm me, anyone, if you are able to see my screen. Just confirm me, anyone, if you are able to see the screen.
Yes.
Super. Yeah. See, Snowflake is a cloud data warehouse, which is built on different cloud providers. So we have three cloud providers like Microsoft Azure, GCP, and then AWS. Actually, this Snowflake itself is a cloud data warehouse, so which is built on top of these three cloud providers. Fine. It is a software as a service. It is a software as a service. Software as a service, nothing but this Snowflake cloud data warehouse itself actually is software, and it will provide the service to all our business requirement. So we will see what is SAS, what is SaaS, and what is cloud data warehouse. So basically we can say Snowflake is a cloud data warehouse, so which is built on top of three cloud providers, which are GCP and Azure and AWS. So we can call it as a SaaS. SaaS means software as a service. It will act as this Snowflake cloud data warehouse act as a software to provide the different services to our organization. Different to our organization. So this Snowflake will provide the solutions for our different purposes. As a data warehouse, as a cloud data warehouse, so we can utilize this cloud data warehouse. We can utilize this cloud data warehouse for the different purposes like data engineering and data science, and then business intelligence, application development, and deliver the data to the end users through the different reports. We can use this data warehouse for the different purposes. As this data warehouse itself is very huge, very huge. So based on our requirement, we can utilize and you can analyze and we can deliver the data to end users. We can deliver the end users. Fine. So we will discuss more about this. What is this SaaS? What is this SaaS? See here. Nothing but software as a this. Can you mute someone? I'm able to hear the background noise. That's fine now. So SaaS nothing but here. So this Snowflake Cloud Data Warehouse is a software as a service. As this is a software to provide the services to our business requirement. As this is a SaaS, as this is a cloud data warehouse. So you no need to install any software to maintain your Snowflake data warehouse. You no need to maintain any softwares. You no need to configure any hardware configurations. You no need to update any patches. You no need to maintain any servers, physical servers. You no need to maintain any data centers. What you need to do to utilize or to build or to deploy your Snowflake data warehouse into your organization and or into your business, just you need to take a subscription from the Snowflake and then start use. As this is a cloud data warehouse, you no need to take care anything from your organization or your front end. Just you need to take the subscription. Just you need to take a subscription and start load the data and start use the data and start deliver the data on behalf of your organization or on behalf of you. On behalf of you, the Snowflake will take care everything: the storage, the hardware configurations, the software updates, and your database maintenance and your server maintenance, everything. So that Snowflake Cloud Data Warehouse called as a SaaS. Snowflake Cloud Data Warehouse called as a SaaS, software as a service. Let me explain what is the difference between our traditional data warehouse and what is cloud data warehouse. One second. See, if you consider this, just I am giving an example of one of the traditional data warehouse. I took as a SQL server traditional data warehouse. See, if in case of a traditional data warehouse, what and all things are involved, then how we are going to manage everything. Let's see. Suppose let's consider. So we need to maintain our business data, or we need to maintain our data warehouse. Traditional data warehouse means you need to set up all the things like suppose if you have a data in third party tool, or if you have a data in your different sources, just to load the data, you need to have a ETL tool. And load the data into SQL Server and load the data into SQL Data Warehouse. To maintain all these things, you need to maintain a physical server for your SQL Server. You need to maintain the data centers for SQL Server, and you need to purchase a SQL Server, and you need to install this to maintain your SQL Data Warehouse. To maintain your traditional data warehouse, there are multiple database administrators are required. And also to maintain your SQL Server data warehouse, you need to maintain a hardware resources to store the data. You need to maintain your physical servers. physical servers, and then to maintain your hardware resources also, there should be some multiple network engineers. Everything you need to buy based on your business requirement, based on your business data, and based on your data volume, and based on your number of users. You need to plan and you need to buy all the hardware components, and all the hardware components and softwares you need to install, and you need to manage yourself to run successfully without any issues. Unfortunately, suppose let's consider today you are processing around 2 GB of data. Tomorrow, if you get the 4 GB of data, if your data centers are not sufficient, then it will stop to work and it will stop to load the data until you increase your hardware capacity into your SQL Server database. This is one of the example. And also, let's consider based on your capacity, you have configured your hardware resources. Unfortunately, your number of users are connecting to your data warehouse, and data volume is increased. Your capacity is not going to support. For that also, you need to monitor and you need to increase your hardware resources. Everything is n number of people involvement is required, and monitoring is required, and also maintenance is required. Maintenance is required. So this is about to overcome all these things. We have a cloud data warehouse, nothing but our Snowflake data warehouse. I will explain you. Yeah, see here, your Snowflake data warehouse will be built on top of any 3 cloud providers. The Snowflake data warehouse will be built on top of your AWS or Azure or GCP. The data will be available. In any three cloud providers. You can load whatever the data is available in whatever data or files available in your cloud providers. Those files will be loaded. Into your Snowflake. Fine. So from there you can do a ETL or ELT, and you can deliver the data to the end users. So here, what I mean to say, comparing to your traditional data warehouse, see here, this is a software as a service. You no need to maintain anything, you no need to buy anything, you no need to upgrade anything, you no need to monitor anything, you no need to monitor data centers, you no need to take care of your hardware configurations. Suppose if the data volume is increased today, unfortunately, automatically Snowflake will take care based on your data and then based on your number of users. If the number of users are increased, and then the Snowflake will be expanded its storage capacity and its compute capacity. So that there is no manual involvement is required from organization. No need to take care of any software installations or patches installations. No need to take care of your physical servers. Everything on behalf of you. Snowflake will take care. Only thing is just you need to take a subscription of Snowflake and load the data, and then start using your Snowflake and then deliver the data to end users through the n number of reports. So this is about the very high level definition and very high level explanation about the Snowflake. Can anyone please let me know if you have any doubts in understanding what is Snowflake and what is the difference between the traditional data warehouse and then cloud data warehouse before proceeding. Please let me know if you have any doubts. Just ask me before proceeding into different concepts. This is a overall understanding on the Snowflake definition. What is Snowflake and what difference between our traditional data warehouse or on-prem data warehouse. Let me know if you have any queries or if you have any questions on the Snowflake definition.
Yeah, Mahesh, I have one question. Is there any?
Sorry. Actually, I logged into a different name. My name is Shekhar.
Yeah, Shekhar. Is it require any AWS or any cloud knowledge on this?
Not required. Actually, files will be available in the any cloud provider like AWS or Azure. Just we need to make already the setup will be there. Architect setup between the your Snowflake to AWS, right? Your Snowflake to AWS. You don't need to have a knowledge on this cloud provider. Just you will get the files from AWS to Snowflake, and from Snowflake then you will derive your things. That's it. I can say not required. Just already if there is no setup between the and there is no communication between the AWS and then your Snowflake. Yes, as part of our course, then we are going to see how to do a setup and how to load the data, how to load the files into AWS. From there, how to load the files into Snowflake. That part then we will cover as part of our course.
Okay, thanks, Shekhar.
So, is it your answer, or still you have any doubts? Please. Fine, guys. Any other questions? Hello. Any other questions?
And yeah, Shekhar, one more question. Yeah, is it require any PL SQL programming knowledge? So right now I'm working as a PL SQL developer. So is it is advantage for this Snowflake, right? So
Yeah.
I worked as a PL SQL developer as well as a ODA developer. So this is advantage for this course, right?
Yes, your question is very good question. Actually, see, actually, whoever is having the strong knowledge on SQL, it is very easy to learn, and easy to development. So I can say, if prerequisites for this course is, if you have a good knowledge and experience on SQL, then it will be added advantage. Anyone, if you don't have any SQL knowledge, then I am here to explain everything, and I will provide the knowledge on the SQL, and then on top of that, we will proceed with the Snowflake. Yes, you have a SQL knowledge, then it will be added advantage.
Okay, thanks, Shekhar.
Any doubts? Just no. General questions will discuss end of the session. Just I am expecting some questions on understanding the Snowflake.
What is data lake?
Data lake is also one of the storage component in the cloud provider. Data lake is also one of the storage component in the cloud provider. From there, we can load the files into your data warehouse. So, which is available in Azure.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So we will proceed with the other points. Actually, we discussed. Sorry.
Shekhar, one more question, please. Here, simple.
I am expecting the questions, and so you can ask a number of questions after the session. I will give the use time. I am expecting the questions on understanding of the Snowflake. If you understand, if you have any questions on understanding of the Snowflake definition, just you can shoot me, then I will provide. General questions we can discuss after the session, guys. I will give the maximum time for you.
Okay.
Any questions?
So my understanding is Snowflake is a cloud data warehousing, right?
Yes. Cloud data warehouse. Any questions on understanding of what is the Snowflake definition and what is the difference between the yes, guys. Hello. You are able to hear me?
Yes, sir. Yeah, yes.
Okay, then we'll proceed with the next part. We'll proceed with the next part. So we have discussed so far what is Snowflake and what is the SaaS and what is the difference between the cloud data warehouse and our traditional data warehouse. I have taken an example for the
Yeah, Shekhar, your voice is breaking sometimes.
what about now? Is it fine?
Yeah, it's fine now.
1 second. This is about like, so what are the so comparing to other data warehouses, what are the some great great features are available in the great benefits are great features and beautiful features are available in the Snowflake which are not available in the other data warehouse. Let's see what are the great features available in the Snowflake actually. See, we have a lot many beautiful features are available in Snowflake which are not available in any other data warehouse actually. So first point, if you see about the great performance and scalability, nothing but as mentioned in the earlier point, whenever the data is loaded into your Snowflake, whenever the data volume is increased automatically, our number of users are connected, our number of users are increased to connect to your Snowflake, automatically your Snowflake will take care to expand your data storage and then your compute capacity nothing but here in Snowflake it is a hardware resources. It is a hardware resources like whatever I said in the number of CPUs, memory, and then etc. So here storage and then compute. So in this case of a Snowflake, there is a both separate components actually. Storage is different component and then your compute is different component. So that we will discuss later. So as part of this, whenever the data volume is increased or number of users are increased to your Snowflake, automatically the storage capacity and then compute capacity expansion will take care. Expansion will take care your Snowflake. No need to take any matter, no need to involve any manual intervention, no need to involve any manual intervention. Automatically on behalf of your organization or your Snowflake will take care. Expansion of the storage or compute layer. Compute. See, once the data is stored in the Snowflake, the architecture is designed in such a way you can see a very great performance. Great performance. So, like we will discuss as part of the architecture, how the data is stored, how data will be retrieved, how the difference between the regular data warehouse, how the data is going to store within the Snowflake, everything. We'll see in high level. In a high level, based on our data volume and then based on our number of users, automatically it will take and then it will expand the things actually. And then what about the zero management? Zero management at the moment, as I mentioned earlier, to maintain your Snowflake data warehouse, no need of any people like a database administrator or infra engineers or network engineers. On behalf of our organization, maintenance and everything will take care a Snowflake. Snowflake. No need to maintain data centers, no need to maintain physical servers, no need to maintain your data storage, no need to maintain your software upgrades, no need to maintain your hardware resources. Everything on behalf of the organization, on behalf of you, your Snowflake will take care. Only thing is we need to take the subscription from the Snowflake, and we are going to pay what we are going to use in the Snowflake. In case of a traditional data warehouse, well in advance we need to calculate architecture will our solution architect or database architecture will analyzes our business data and the number of users. So based on that, they will decide that what configurations we need to buy, what configuration we need to install. Everything we need to buy in well in advance. We need to maintain everything. In case of a Snowflake, just we are going to pay what we are going to use. Suppose if we are not using for the weekends, it will not charge for you guys actually. It will not charge for your organization. It will go into suspend mode. Suppose today morning, if you logged into your Snowflake, If you use for 1 hour, after 10 minutes, automatically it will go into suspend mode. So if whenever it is in suspend mode, then Snowflake will not charge on your organization. So that is one of the beautiful feature available in cloud data warehouse. So this is about the zero management. Coming to the convenient pricing, what I have mentioned here, whatever we are going to use, we are going to pay for that only. It will not going to charge for all the things. If we are going to use only 3 to 4 hours, then it is going to charge for that only. So remains inside, it will go into suspend mode, and then it is not going to charge whenever it is not, whenever it is in suspend mode. Whenever you restart the session, automatically it will resume the, automatically it will active your session so that you can start using your Snowflake. So this is about the convenient pricing. This is based virtual compute warehouse is one of the key component in your Snowflake. Virtual compute warehouse nothing but which is a hardware resources to a Snowflake. So this we need to discuss understanding very thoroughly in next session. And then what is this undraft statement? Recurse Snowflake object using undraft statement. Undraft statement nothing but in Snowflake. This feature or this option is available only in Snowflake. Suppose let's consider if any database object is deleted or dropped from the data Snowflake data warehouse, you can bring back. You can suppose if your customer table is deleted, then if you want to bring back that, you can bring back that one. So that is one of the great feature. What about this text object cloning? If you want to take a backup of your database, in case of a traditional data warehouse, you need to make a setup to take the backup and then restore. Here, using a single cloning, you can take the backup of your database. So this is also one of the great feature. Then next, what is this time travel? Continuous data production and then time travel. This time travel nothing but suppose let's consider you have a some huge data in your tables in Snowflake. If your data has deleted for some XYZ reason, if you want to bring back that, then easily you can bring back that within a multiple seconds. So that is a great feature is available in Snowflake. What about the streams and tasks? Streams nothing but to capture the incremental data. Tasks nothing but to schedule your database objects to execute the automatically. So this is okay. Data sharing and the Snowflake cloud. This data sharing is very important concept in Snowflake actually, because if you want to share the, can you mute anyone? I'm hearing a background noise. So data sharing nothing but suppose if you want to share any data to your Snowflake account users or non-Snowflake account users, just you can grant a permission on any particular object. Suppose the data from the customer table to your Snowflake users or non-Snowflake users, you can grant permission to those users on your table so that they can access that. No need to share the data into Excel sheets or no need to share the data into PDF, nothing. Just you can grant permission on particular object and then they will utilize the data from the table. So next to last feature is the Snowflake Snowpipe. Snowpipe nothing but like automatically the data will be loaded into your if the data is available or file is available in your AWS system bucket, AWS, then if you create a Snowpipe, automatically the data will be loaded into target table in a Snowflake. So this is about a very high level description I have provided on the features available in the Snowflake. In further sessions, we will discuss very in detail what and all the things are available on these features we are going to see as part of the next session. So these are the high level information on the features available in Snowflake. So we are going to discuss as part of this is the course content. This is the course content actually. I am planning to complete this course in 35 hours. and then this is a course content. We are going to discuss end-to-end all these concepts, and also we'll give some examples, and we'll execute some code, and I'll give the real scenarios, how the things are available. So this is about our course content. We are going to discuss Snowflake architecture, Snowflake editions, virtual warehouse, data warehousing, everything like loading a data, Snowpipe, betterized views, fail-safe, time travel, everything, swapping, Snowflake pricing, Snowflake other tools. So this is about our course content. We are going to discuss all the concepts or topics provided in this slide. So this is a key for our course. So we are going to discuss everything. So who is the career? Who is the career once you learn the Snowflake, and then how do you maintain your experience, and then if you get a job, what will be your salary, and then how the market what people are providing to Snowflake developers. Just we'll see what and all. See, our Snowflake developers are demanded. So I can say nowadays, as Snowflake is very comfortable, and which is a cloud data warehouse, and there is no much things are involved. It is very easy to learn, easy to maintain, and then easy to like load the data into and maintain your cloud data warehouse. As maximum organizations are migrating their business data into from on-prem servers. I can say on-prem servers nothing but a traditional data warehouse. From on-prem servers, they are migrating their business data into Snowflake, so that market is looking for a very good Snowflake developers to migrate their business data or to develop their objects in the Snowflake and deliver the data to end users. So which is having the all-time high, and also very good growth in the Snowflake platform actually. Once you learn your course, do the practice thoroughly. So you can mention like around 2 to 3 years of experience in Snowflake. So if you put the 2 to 3 years of experience, and then if you can try on the Snowflake, then you have a very bright future and good opportunities in the market. You will get a very good package also. So if I say regarding about your package, see, maybe per annum you have a chance to get around 20 to 25 lakhs per annum. If you put 2 to 3 years of experience along with your 2 years experience, but you have to very strong in Snowflake. Whatever we are going to discuss on our training, if you learn those things and all as part of our course, we are going to prepare an interview with those things and all. If you learn and then if you practice on that, then that is more than enough. And then once you learn the course and then practice thoroughly and prepare thoroughly, comfortable on the concepts, then you can mention 2 to 3 years of experience. Damn sure I can assure you that you will get a job with a very good package. You will get it because nowadays the Snowflake cloud data warehouse is trending, and then people are not there in the market. Just you need to learn the concepts very thoroughly and then try job server Snowflake. So what does software developer do? See, in the current market, as per the requirement, what we are doing, just we are migrating a non-cloud data warehouse into cloud data warehouse. Non-cloud data warehouse nothing but a non-cloud data warehouse in SQL server or Teradata. So we are migrating non-cloud data warehouse into cloud data warehouse. So as part of this, what you will do, you will develop the objects. What and all objects are available in the non-prem on non-cloud. That suppose if you have a tables, if you have a views, if you have a stored process in your non-cloud data warehouse, then you can develop all those objects into your Snowflake. All those objects into your Snowflake objects until you will load the data from on-prem server into your cloud server, so Snowflake cloud server. So this is one of the requirement. So second requirement is already if the data is available in the Snowflake, then based on the requirement, you will develop the Snowflake objects and you will develop the views, and on top of that, on top of that, report developers will report their reports on Snowflake, and then they will deliver the data to end users through the Tableau report or Power BI report. So these are the high level roles and responsibility. What we are going to do once we get the Snowflake, once we get the job as a Snowflake developer. So this is the high level responsibility. The main thing is currently all the projects. So in my organization currently I am working. Currently I am working on the project. I have a objects in SQL Server. I have a report in SSRS. I need to migrate that SQL Server objects and the SSRS report, SQL Server objects into Snowflake objects, and the SSRS report into Power BI report. So such kind of requirement is running in current market. So this is a high level responsibility what we are going to perform once we get a Snowflake developer. Once we get a job on the Snowflake developer. So this is a high level responsibility what we are going to perform as part of our job. And then what is this? What are the certifications we can complete? So initially I can recommend, once you complete this course, I can recommend this Snow Pro course certification. Snow Pro certification. This is a basic certification, and remaining under advanced certifications. Those things under we need to attempt once we get the very good experience on Snowflake. But once you complete this Snowflake training, you can attempt for the Snow Pro course certification. So this is about the we have discussed. What are the jobs we have in the market? Once you learn the Snowflake this course, you have Snowflake developer, Snowflake data engineer, leave over that this administrator, cloud data warehouse engineer, data analyst, Snowflake architect is once you get the commanding on the Snowflake and get the good experience on the Snowflake, then you can try with the architect, and then you can get as a data scientist. So this is about our high level definition of the Snowflake, and what is the difference between cloud data warehouse and what is the difference between our cloud data warehouse and traditional data warehouse. So what are the good features are available? Good features are available in Snowflake, and then who is the market on the Snowflake? What is the roles and responsibility? What is our course content? See, once we complete our course, guys, actually we will support you. We will support you, and then till you get the job, we will support you to prepare the interviews. We will support you to prepare the resume, and then we will support you wherever you require. Then we are here to support you guys until you get the job in the market. Fine. So this is about the course, guys. Now you can ask me any general questions if you have. Hello.
Hello, sir. This is Lakshman.
Yeah. Please tell me.
So, how many days it will take to learn?
I told you already. I mentioned 34 hours.
34 hours. Okay.
You can ask me any general questions.
So this course will cover administrator or developer
No,
part?
developer part, not the administrator.
Okay. Thank you.
So 35 hours, is that sufficient to learn this course?
Yeah, is this sufficient? Yes. No, if that is not sufficient, if anyone has a doubts, if still anyone feeling that the topics are not clear, then I am ready to take.
Okay, thank you.
6 to 35 days. My motto is to understand the concepts very clearly, but always there should be a benchmark for everything, right? So that I mentioned 35 classes. Guys, some background noise is there. That's why, yes, as I mentioned, 35 classes is enough. If anyone has still any doubts, then I will extend. Any other questions, guys?
I have joined in the middle of the class. Like is this for only on weekdays and?
May know who is this?
I am Shiva.
You have joined?
In the middle of the, I mean, like I joined with 20 minutes late. So I don't
No,
know, like,
this is the very first class. No need to worry. Whatever we discussed, this I have given the just the information very high level. So whatever we have discussed today, everything we are going to discuss very in detail in the further sessions. No need to worry.
yeah, sure. My question is like, so whether this course will be, maybe I can talk about this later, but will this be on weekdays or weekends?
Actually, I am planning to take a regular classes from tomorrow, 8 o'clock. Is it fine for you all? And also, if 8 o'clock is not possible, if anyone is willing to join weekend class, for that weekend class also I will plan. But if anyone is interested to continue from tomorrow 8 o'clock, then they can able to join from tomorrow 8 o'clock. And then if not possible for any guys at 8 o'clock, then we can plan for those on weekends also. So we have a two options, guys. Actually, I'm not going to stick for this thing. If 8 o'clock is a very good time and comfortable time for everyone, so if who is feeling comfortable at 8 o'clock tomorrow, then they can come and join and then continue. Who is not comfortable at 8 o'clock, then we can start from Saturday around 8 o'clock, from 8 o'clock to from 3 to 4 hours per day in only weekends. But as part of the regular class, I am going to start from tomorrow 8 o'clock, guys. So whoever is interested, then they can able to join tomorrow 8 o'clock. And also for whom 8 o'clock is not possible, then we will start on next Saturday, guys. Then they can join and then they can continue from next weekend batch also, guys. Is it
Only
clear?
Saturday and Sunday.
Saturday and Sunday. As next week is Saturday, every Saturday and Sunday. So I am targeting, if you are speaking about the weekend batch, I am targeting on like 4 weekends, Saturday and Sunday.
Okay, then what about the course materials and the recording sessions like that?
Recording sessions will be provided by our organization, institute, and course content material, everything I will give as part of the course discussion. As part of the course discussion, I will share the end of the session. Same day, whatever we are going to discuss, that material I am going to share. Whatever we are going to discuss the code, whatever we are going to use the files to process the data, everything I will share by end of the day, by end of the session.
Okay, thank you.
So 8 p.m. means or 8 a.m. or 8 p.m.
Morning 8 a.m.
8 a.m. Okay.
Yes, morning 8 a.m. Yeah.
I'm a SQL DBA. I wanted to change the technology. Hello?
So you are a SQL DBA.
Yeah, I wanted to change the technology and how suitable this technology to choose as my career.
May I know your name, please?
My name is Shiva.
Shiva, fine, Shiva. So, as you are a SQL DBA, you want to switch into a development or you want to continue into DBA? Just clarify that point. If you want to switch into development, then this is a good platform. As already you have experience in SQL DBA, you will be having the basic knowledge on the SQL also. Then you can kickstart this.
Okay, thank you. Hello, your voice is breaking, Shekhar.
One second. What about now? Hello.
Yeah, it's good now.
No, what I mentioned, like as you are a DBA, you will be having the basic knowledge on the SQL, so that you can kickstart on Snowflake. Not a problem. You can switch, Shiva. It is suitable for you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, Shekhar, I have a 30-day trial version in Snowflake, and I am starting working on it. After 30 days, it will expire, right? What about my tables and data?
So before that, you need to take a backup, or you need to continue the subscription. You need to take a subscription, means you need to pay.
Okay.
Fine. So if you don't want to take that into a different account, then you can continue as a pay subscription.
Can we move the data into new trial version?
Yeah, you can move.
Okay.
Yeah. Any questions, guys?
Sir, fees, what about fees?
You can talk to institute that is part of those things and all. How many are comfortable to continue with the morning 8 o'clock batch?
It may be
good.
7.
I'm interested.
Hello.
Yeah. Tell me.
Yeah, 7 o'clock is okay. Why? Because 8 o'clock that tiffin time something not comfortable. 7 to 8 that is okay. I think it may be possible.
You are comfortable on 7 o'clock. Let's see.
For
Let's
7.
try to join. Let's join.
No, 7 to 8, it's early to some wake up.
Yes.
Try to join at 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock is not too late. Fine. Sorry.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
okay.
Fine. Yeah. Any questions, guys?
It is
Any
only
questions?
online. It is online only offline.
Online sessions only.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
So is this support only on AWS? Or,
Sorry?
so this supports only on AWS cloud or even for Azure cloud?
No. AWS and Snowflake. In AWS there will be a files and then that files will be loaded in Snowflake. From there we can start working on.
Okay. How different this data warehouse from other data warehouse technologies?
Already I have provided the explanation.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sorry I joined middle. So
Yeah. Okay. It's okay. We will continue in next session also. Not a problem.
sure.
Then any questions, guys? You can ask me any general questions also, not related to course or job market, jobs, everything.
Yeah, yes. Before you told me 3 years of putting experience, so then we're providing 24 lakhs or something.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah. No, what I mean to say, if you really put a genuine effort on the Snowflake, if you do the hard work, if you get the comfortable on the subject, if you are very good at Snowflake concepts, then market is ready. Then market is ready to pay the good pay also, compared to other technologies, because market don't have the very good Snowflake developers. For my organization, I am doing the daily interviews. I am not getting the right developers actually. So like that, suppose if you are a good at Snowflake, they are ready to give the good package compared to other technologies.
okay. If you know I have 3 years of experience in Snowflake schema, then how much providing package?
You have only 3 years of experience, huh?
Yeah.
So you can mention 2 years and then so you can explain that once you joined into organization, you got any requirement on Snowflake, you jumped into that Snowflake development.
Okay. Yeah. How much game providing package for you know?
That and all based on your experience, based on your existing package, based on your interview level, everything calculate, right?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Generally, how much providing?
So he asking average how
Yeah.
much I expecting.
See, if you have a, I
Sir,
can
if
say
they have
around,
3 years experience, how much they will pay?
let
Like
me
market, sir.
let me continue. That's what. See, generally
Okay.
what I have seen, if you have around total years of 67 years of experience, out of which 2 to 3 years of Snowflake, people are getting 20 lakhs. I've seen many cases, but totally you have 3 years of experience, out of which you have a 2 years of experience in Snowflake, and then based on your existing package and then based on your negotiation, it depends. But you will get a very good package, that I can assure.
It may be expected 10 lakhs.
More than that.
Yeah. Okay. 10 lakhs.
Hi, sir. Good morning. Shubham here. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi,
Hello.
Shubham here. Actually, yeah, am I audible?
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you are audible.
Yeah, Shubham here. Actually, currently I'm working as a data analyst. It's entry-level data analyst, and I am actually MBA graduate, and so currently working on Microsoft Excel and SQL.
Okay.
So yeah, I am looking for a job opportunity as a business analyst and data analyst, both of the domains. So how this tool can help me as in further journey?
Yes, it will be great actually. Already you are working as a So you can say like you got an opportunity to work into the Snowflake, and then
Sir,
you
your
switch.
voice is breaking actually.
Now, what about now?
Yeah, it's audible now.
Yeah, no. So this is a very good right opportunity. So you can choose this one. So you can mention that you got an opportunity to work on the Snowflake development. You started as a Snowflake development as part of your requirement, and then you can switch very easily. Right.
Okay, actually, but my main issue is like I'm not from the technical background.
That's okay. That's okay. I understand.
Yeah,
What is your degree?
my degree is a BCom. After that, I completed my MBA in marketing and technology.
It's okay. Many people are there in the market who completed the BCom or the MBA and the MCom. But the thing is, if you are a very good technical guy, then they will not consider those things and all. There are
Okay,
companies they will give the jobs.
okay, but skill is matter. Okay, yeah, got it.
Skill and then subject and then your talent,
Okay, got it. Yeah,
concepts, experience.
yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
And currently working as a data analyst since like 1.5 years. So currently
That is
working on the
more
SQL. Yeah,
Yeah, that is more than enough. Already you have a SQL experience, then you can enhance your skill.
yeah, definitely. Yeah, thank you very much.
Yes.
Yeah, Shekhar, one question here. So
Yeah.
Snowflake developer also can involve in reporting side like Tableau and Power BI.
No. For that you need to learn different technologies like Power BI, Tableau. Those are the reporting tools. As part of this course, we will provide the Snowflake development. That is sufficient.
Yeah, that is fine. So this is our only Snowflake course. But no, is in real time. We involve in Snowflake developer can involve in any reporting side like Tableau.
As a Snowflake developer, what we will do? Finally, we will develop the objects. We will create the views, and then we will provide those views to report developers.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Snowflake, any prerequisites needs, sir?
If you have a good knowledge in SQL, then that is more than enough. If you don't have, then we will provide you on SQL knowledge.
Okay.
How much SQL knowledge required for it?
Not like how much and all. Complete SQL knowledge.
Okay.
If you have a SQL knowledge, then it will be added. If you don't have, then we will discuss in class also.
Sure. Okay.
So see, for subject there is no option, man. In Snowflake or in SQL in C language, we need to learn end-to-end, right?
Yes.
Yeah, then it will be like a full package. Yes,
So
guys.
is Snowflake is like related to Redshift?
No.
Okay.
So this is a cloud data warehouse. Any other question, guys?
Yeah, Shekhar, I have SQL knowledge and as well as Power BI and Tableau knowledge. So is it advantage?
It will be advantage for you.
Okay.
Sir, if I am 2017 passed, sir, is it okay for me? I don't have an.
See,
yes,
2017, 2022, 5 years. And
yes,
so if you learn, you can put as a 2 to 3 years of experience as Snowflake. You can try. If they ask 2 years gap, then you can tell them that you are preparing some civil sources and all. Like that, you can mention. So you can put the 3 years of experience in Snowflake, and you can show as a 2 years gap, and then you can tell them that I was preparing a civil in some Delhi and all. So things are not materialized, so that I came into this IT industry. I started to work on the Snowflake. I have 3 years experience. Like that, you can mention.
Okay.
Do we require any kind of statistics knowledge?
Not required. Not required.
Usually, okay.
SQL is enough. SQL is enough.
Okay, but usually warehouse means it collects the data from many non-structured data as well, right?
Semi-structured data, yes. Semi-structured data. JSON or XML.
Okay.
Shekhar, one more thing is a Snowflake developer. We can write any programming like PLC, Oracle, PLC code developer, like any programming we can expect in a Snowflake developer?
That's what I told now. If you have a SQL knowledge on top of that, you can extend your knowledge. That's it.
Okay.
Any questions, guys? Okay, then if you don't have any questions, then we will meet tomorrow at 8 o'clock. And also whoever want to join in weekend, so you can communicate with the institute. And then again, we will start weekend batch at Saturday 8 o'clock. And whoever want to regular class, regular sessions, then we'll meet tomorrow at 8 o'clock. Is it fine for you guys?
Yeah, shall we get this
Yes.
session recorded, one through email and
Sure.
also
Yeah.
the course syllabus?
Yes. You can communicate. See, as part of our regular class, then we will give the material and then post and everything. For recording those things, under you can contact institute.
Okay.
Shekhar, one more question. So day by day, how do we practice, like, day-to-day topics? Or do we
That's
get
what you
any?
need. End of each session, I am going to provide you a discussion content, whatever we are going to discuss, that theoretical part, and also whatever we are going to discuss, whatever we are going to implement, and whatever we are going to do the practice. That code also I will give you as part of the course, and what and all the files we are going to use as part of the class. Those files also will share each session, end of the session. I am going to share all these things with you guys in the email.
Okay. So also we can set up a account, Snowflake account in our.
I will as part of the course I will show you how to set up.
Okay, fine. Yeah, thank you, Shekhar.
Yeah, any other questions?
So, Shekhar, the subscription of Snowflake, is it free or trial basis for the students, or it's a?
We have a we have a 30-day trial version. You can start working on that.
Okay.
Some person is asking some questions in Pawan. Pawan, you are there?
Yes, sir.
You asked some questions. You have done BHMCT, bachelor degree. You can learn here. You can learn, not a problem. What is your degree? BSc or BCom or engineering? What?
BHMCT, Bachelor's in Hotel Management.
Yeah, you can continue here. Get the good commanding on the Snowflake, and you can try. Not a problem.
Actually, I'm confused whether I have to do AWS or this Linux or AWS, this ServiceNow or else Snowflake.
You need to take a call here. I can say Snowflake is having a very good trading in the market. If you have a good opportunity in the market, I can say. So which technology you need to choose, which technology you need to learn, means you need to take a call, right?
It is related to cloud computing, sir, this technology?
Yes, this is a cloud platform.
Okay. So do I need any coding and programming knowledge to learn this technology?
SQL knowledge is required. If you don't have SQL knowledge, then I will provide SQL knowledge.
Okay.
So is SQL will be covered in these 35 classes? Or?
Yes, we will cover.
So coming to practice, how much practice do I need to do per day after class?
Daily, as you don't have any IT background, at least you need to do 5 to 6 hours.
5 to 6 hours.
Yes, because you don't have any background, right? You need to learn SQL, you need to learn Snowflake. So whatever, see, not only Snowflake, wherever you go, any other technology you want to learn, if you don't have any software industry or any IT background, then you need to do hard, right, to get the commanding. Not only the Snowflake. If you go ServiceNow, you go some other thing, you need to put the timings and then you need to do hard work.
Okay.
Right?
Do I need any certification after course completion?
Certification is not required. Certification is not required if you are good at if you are good at Snowflake concept, then it is more than enough.
Okay. Will I get any recording session, sir, about this today?
Yeah, you will get the recording session. You can connect with the institute guys.
Today classes.
Yeah, today class also. You can connect. Sorry.
Today is the demo class, I think so.
Yeah, today we can say yeah, we can continue by tomorrow regular classes.
Okay, actually I have been logged in just now, sir. I have missed
That's
the.
okay. Yeah, that's okay. You can get the recording video from the institute. Not a problem.
Okay, and it will be online or offline, sir?
It will be online. It will be online.
Starting to ending completely.
Yes.
Okay, since I am from non-IT background, will I able to do online course?
What is your bachelor degree?
BHM, sir.
Pawan, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I told you now you can do, not a problem.
Okay. Okay.
Any doubts, please?
Is this course in demand? Is in demand like everywhere?
Yes, yeah.
Not only in India. For example, I'm in US.
No. Snowflake is having the very good training in all the countries. USA, UK, India. You can check that in internet also.
Yeah, I heard about it, so that's the reason I'm interested in this course.
No. It is trending in all the countries. US, UK, India. No. This is US based company, man. Snowflake is US based company. Started in US only.
Okay, Shekhar.
Yeah.
What will be the duration of the course?
Sorry?
Duration of the course?
35 classes.
35 classes.
Yes, 35 hours.
Okay. After 35 classes, will I get placement assistance from your end?
We don't provide any placement, but we give you the interview tips, interview preparation process and all.
Okay.
So can we manage to attend the interviews after 35 days if you spend good enough time and practicing?
Sure.
Okay. Thank you, Shekhar.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Then tomorrow we will meet at 8 o'clock. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.